Hey guys, welcome back my channel. Today I'm gonna have
こんにちは。
Heigi Soba, which is Niigata Prefecture's specialty. And also in addition, I'm gonna have Tempura.
じゃあそば茶でございます。
はい、ありがとうございます。ヘギそばにちょっと天ぷらついてるやつで、
ですかね。
あ、そうですね。
ヘギというものが。
じゃあ天ヘギ一つで。
A few moments later.
I asked her about I wanna have Heigi Soba and also Tempura. So which is comfortable for me? Oh yes, this is Heigi Soba, which is organized to eat easier like this. And also tempura is shining. I'm so excited. Listen to this crispy sound. This is amazing. I think soba and tempura is very good combination. I'm gonna be happy. If you have enough budget, just order tempura in addition to soba. Please. Heigi soba's texture is smooth, more than general soba because of ingredients. At first, general soba made by buckwheat flour and also general flour. On the other hand, Heigi soba made by buckwheat flour and also seaweed. This is difference. And about tempura, it is difficult to make tempura in my house because we have to organize special cookware and also heat power. So we have to make accurate heat temperature. That's why I don't eat it very frequently in my house. Look at this footage. What am I doing? Maybe I was tired, very tired, super tired. Then just one thing. This sauce is a little bit weak for me. Maybe I like strong taste, but just this. I can't say anymore. And also this is eggplant tempura. It's so much delicious for me. I like it. Basically, Japanese tempura sauce is very tasty. It's including umami, I think so. This is pumpkin's tempura. The taste is salty, but it's a little bit sweet. Then I'm gonna add wasabi to change this flavor. Oh, I forgot to tell this tempura, you guys. This is shrimp tempura. By the way, my favorite tempura is shrimp and mushroom and also eggplant. This is my top 3. Anyway. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and do the super like. So see you next video.